In this video, we will learn how to rotate text in Microsoft Word. Rotating text in Word is easiest when done within a text box, as it allows precise control over positioning. To insert a text box, navigate to the Insert tab. In the text group, select Text Box. From the drop-down menu, choose Simple Text Box. To rotate the text box manually, select the text box. Click and drag the rotation handle in your desired direction. For rotations in 15-degree increments, hold the Shift key while dragging to rotate the text box by a specific number of degrees. Select the text box. Navigate to the Shape Format tab that appears on the ribbon. In the Arrange group, click Rotate. Select a predefined rotation or, for more specific adjustments, choose More Rotation Options. In the Layout dialog box, go to the Size tab. Under Rotate, set the exact number of degrees by clicking the arrows or typing directly into the box. For example, to rotate slightly left, set it to +15. Click OK to apply your rotation. Note: when editing, Word temporarily returns the text box to its original orientation, but the rotation will remain applied when you click outside the text box. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give us a like. New to our channel? Subscribe to the Knowledge Academy's YouTube channel for more tutorials to master Microsoft Word. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.